My name is Farela Agnes Sola. I'm a fourth year student of the Federal University of Technology, Akure, Computer Science Department. My hobbies, I think I like googling and watching movies, kind of, and sleeping. Yeah, and do something like creative. I love snapping. Yeah. I heard about ZACRAC from one of my lecturers. So he told me that a particular training was going on here, that I could benefit from it and add to my knowledge. And I decided to hop on it. When I heard about it, at first I was like, no, data science. It showed me different like aspects under data science. I was like, oh, mathematics is there. I like maths. Let me check this out. Maybe will actually bring something fun to me. So I checked it out and I saw it was actually good. I chose ZACRA because I only heard about a training going on in ZACRAC, and I heard ZACRAC was a startup company, and I would actually like to maybe start or like participate in one of the startup companies to actually boost my career sort of. Okay, at first I thought data science would be difficult and not difficult. Along the journey, I would say I won't lie, it's difficult but not difficult because not all things comes easy actually. So to some aspects I was unable to get through it because I wasn't familiar with some of them and everything. But going on with it, practice makes perfect. So I can actually know more if you practice. Yeah, since we started all about statistics, and we then dig into Excel, Python, Tableau. Excel, where you can, analyze some of your data, like visualize them and see them come into maybe graphs or something like that to make your work kind of easy. And Python, Python, it's a programming language, so you can easily get your um like code and get your data to see it. And Tableau is kind of easy. It's straightforward because you just have to import your files, then just go on to the columns and rows you want to work with. It's actually kind of user friendly. Okay, Tableau. Once you install the app, then you like whichever file you want to work on, you import it there because on the interface you would actually see it. Once you press it, you click on your Microsoft Excel, then you click on the Excel file you want to work with. Then you see a lot of categories. Be it like now, for example, maybe you are talking about um product. Now you can see the product ID, the product name, the customer's name, the categories, a lot of things. And then on the upper side of the Tableau interface, like you would see your rows and columns. So if you want to actually do your visualizations, where you want to either put your, maybe you want your graph, your charts to be against either product ID or ship mode, you actually see where you put it there. Like, okay, I want it column against rows, different colors you want, different tests, different things where you can do, for example, your scatter plot, your box plot, a lot of things. Like there's bullet graph, a lot of things that is very interesting to actually showcase your work or analysis. I faced, would I say, quite maybe a few or a lot of challenges in the aspect of maybe transportations. Money will actually go, the aspect of your time, how to keep up with your time and everything. Because when you come back, when you go, how you eat, everything, like your whole day routine. And actually, like, every time, it's not every time you want to work. So I could manage up with, okay, just trying to discipline myself and put my head up and tell myself, keep going, do not give up. Yeah, my best, it's actually the survey part. Yeah, we did survey. I love maybe to present or to talk about things. So it's actually my survey part where we're given assignment, no, classworks. Yeah, we're given classwork to present every day. So when I and my group members, we worked on some survey and we presented it. So it's actually one of my best. Yeah, actually now I can't just learn something and not work with it. Learn and work with it, and I'll actually maybe kind of go deeper into it and expand myself whatever I do. My tutor is a kind of a friendly man, very friendly. Although, like, nobody's perfect. He has his flaws too, but it's actually kind of good. And my colleagues, well, they're all good, and I just hope we would always meet up every time, and everybody grows well and big at later end. And ZACRAC, well, ZACRAC is very, very good, and I'm happy I came into ZACRAC.